couple with us. He is all the way from Melbourne, and he's exactly 6 months after his hair restoration. Yes, we performed an Artas Robotic Hair Restoration with a massive 32-18 hair grafts, transplanting all the way from his hairline till the vertex conjunction. So how do you feel at 6 months?
I feel amazing right now.
You feel amazing right now?
I was nervous before because it was like all hair was gone.
Correct.
And then I called your team as well.
Right.
What was going on, but they just told me that wait, don't worry about that. After some time, it will start coming back.
Oh, you mean the shedding phase?
Shedding phase, yeah.
Which happens generally at around 2 to 3 months.
After you told me that before.
Yeah, it's a scary phase because all the transplanted hair they shed off, yes, and then they'll start growing back again.
Yes.
But I think so. How are your friends and your family, taking it? Do they see any massive change happening?
Yes. Now I don't have to tell them like I got new hair. Now I got like good messages and everyone, and they are telling me like, oh, look at your hair. Now they are asking me where did you go and how your journey is, what is your journey, and like how did you like. So I was they were asking me how much I paid and how much pain was, but they all wanted to see my result. And now I'm not telling them, they are telling me. Even my brother, and he's a doctor, and he says, wait for the result, I'll see, because everything is new for everyone.
Correct, yes.
So now,
so it's 6 months only. Yes, this is only at 6 months. This is only 50% of the results.
Yes.
Its final results are going to be after 6 months. Yes, so we're going to do this again after 6 months from now. Yes, how it has improved your daily life. Do you see anything else apart from looking good? Do you feel good?
To be honest, I never had a sunglass before.
Okay.
In my entire last 10 years. Now I'm going out with my sunglass. Because my forehead was like
too big,
you told me,
yes.
and it wasn't look good on me. But now I'm going with sunglass, and everyone say, it looks good on you because of hair.
Now that's the reason why hair restorations are not just about giving new hair. That's about improving the facial balance.
It gives you
see
confidence.
how beautiful the facial balance has improved. This 1/3 of the face, this 1/3 and this 1/3 is now proportional, which used to be asymmetric, right? So that's how your face starts to look better and more younger. You've seen that. Does it look more young to you?
Yeah, I got my photographs. New photographs.
You got your new photographs done. Yes. So did you get a new passport photos?
No passport. My passport.
Very soon you might need that.
I will get when my passport.
The thing I would like to ask is, how much was the pain during the procedure, and how much pain did you have after the procedure, and how was your overall experience with this?
Look, I told you before as well. When I came here, I was scared. Like somebody told me that you will get like 20 injections of anesthesia, and I was got 20 injections. And when I came here, I saw the injections, but when I just go through from the process, and I can say there's no pain at all. You can say like 1 out of 10. Like
1 out of 10.
Definitely.
Right? And how was your overall experience? Was it fine?
Amazing.
Was it
staff
to
is
your
nice.
expectations? Yes. Many times, we see something online and it does not get reciprocated in the same way. So was it the same way for you?
Same.
Did it help you out?
And you saw my friends came, like two friends came and
Right.
they are now thinking about
undergoing the procedure.
Yes. Because they was
so these reviews and this my patients talking about it, I'm so happy about it because it helps in creating the right awareness, and that's something that really helps so many people out there make the right decision, not end up doing the wrong thing. Yes, because the first time, if you don't do it the right way, it's a screw up. Okay, so
my wife was waiting for result.
Right.
And she said, "Oh, I don't want to do PRP and all that things. I can't get injection before I got hair."
Right.
Now she's ready for PRP, and she already finished 2 treatments.
And how she feel?
She said, "Amazing."
Amazing.
And before she said, "No, I don't want any hair treatment."
I get it.
Now she just show my result. Now she said, "Okay, I will get PRP as well."
I get it. Right? So it's all about the right awareness.
Yes.
And I think wish you a head full of hair, and thank you for this.
Thank you.
And I'm going to see you after 1 year, and we're going to do this again.
Definitely.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.